Welcome to our video introduction of the best VEVOR ice cream machine. If you're a fan of delicious, creamy, and customizable ice cream creations, you're in for a treat. VEVOR has consistently set the standard for excellence in ice cream machines, and in this video, we'll explore the exceptional features and benefits that make it stand out. From its user-friendly design to its impressive capacity and the ability to craft a wide variety of frozen delights, this machine is a must-have for any ice cream enthusiast. Join us as we dive into the world of VEVOR ice cream machines and discover the joy of making perfect ice cream at home. The fifth product on our list is the VEVOR Commercial Rolled Ice Cream Machine. The VEVOR Commercial Rolled Ice Cream Machine is a game-changer in the world of frozen dessert creation. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it exudes durability and longevity with all parts that come into contact with food made from food-grade 304 stainless steel, ensuring easy cleaning and impeccable hygiene standards. One of its standout features is its remarkable efficiency. With a generously sized 19.7 by 19.7 inch cooling pan equipped with a built-in copper cooling pipe, it can churn out ice in just 58 seconds. This impressive speed is powered by a 1450-watt compressor from the renowned brand, which not only guarantees convenience and efficiency but also operates quietly and saves energy. The thoughtful design extends to the unit's maneuverability thanks to rubber universal wheels that rotate 360 degrees with minimal noise. Additionally, large area air vents effectively dissipate heat, safeguarding the machine from temperature-related damage. With its wide application range, this ice cream roll machine can handle various ingredients, from prepared formulas and fruit juice to milkshakes and yogurt, making it versatile for creating soft and hard ice creams, smoothies, ice mud, slush, snow ice, fruit ice, and even ice porridge. At number 4 is the VEVOR Stir-Fried Ice Cream Roll Machine. The VEVOR Stir-Fried Ice Cream Roll Machine is a remarkable addition to any kitchen or commercial establishment. Its standout feature is its highly efficient ice roll making capability. The large square cooling pan with evenly distributed built-in copper cooling pipes ensures rapid and effective cooling, reaching temperatures as low as 25 to 30 degrees, creating the perfect frozen treat. This efficiency is powered by a robust 280 watts compressor, delivering convenience and speed to your ice-making process. Constructed with food-grade 304 stainless steel, this machine not only exudes sturdiness and longevity but also maintains the highest standards of hygiene. The spacious workspace allows you to create multiple ice cream rolls simultaneously, ideal for satisfying the demands of customers. The user-friendly operation panel simplifies the process for anyone to use. With just 2 buttons, you can control the cooling and defrost functions with ease. This compact and well-designed machine offers stability with its 4 rubberized feet and ensures temperature regulation through large area air vents. It even comes with 2 food shovels for added convenience. At number 3 is the VEVOR Commercial Ice Cream Maker. The VEVOR Commercial Ice Cream Maker is a powerhouse of frozen dessert production, suitable for both household and commercial use. With an impressive yield of 10 to 20 liters of soft and fluffy ice cream per hour, it can easily cater to the demands of daily use or a bustling business. The 4.5-liter mixing hopper and 1.6-liter freezing cylinder, both constructed from durable 304 stainless steel, guarantee hygienic and efficient operation. What sets this ice cream maker apart is its smart touch panel control. The extra-large touchscreen provides real-time information on the hopper and cylinder temperatures, allowing for quick adjustments. You can also monitor quantity, hardness level, and voltage at a glance. The shortage alarm function ensures you never run out of ingredients, while one-click self-cleaning simplifies maintenance. Comprehensive performance is at the core of this machine, with a 1,000-watt total power supply, efficient 430-watt Embraco compressor, and a worm gear system for quiet, stable, and long-lasting operation. The pre-cooling function keeps ingredients fresh, and the piffing tube enhances the appearance and taste of your ice cream while saving materials. Thoughtful design details include a dust-proof lid, ergonomic stainless handle, extensive cooling vents, detachable drip tray, and stabilizing rubber feet. At number 2 on our list is the VEVOR 1800-watt stir-fried ice roll machine. The VEVOR 1800-watt stir-fried ice roll machine is a powerhouse in the realm of ice cream roll makers. With its dual round cooling pans, each equipped with evenly distributed built-in copper cooling pipes, it delivers exceptional cooling performance. This means you can simultaneously create multiple ice cream rolls, making it ideal for commercial use. Powered by robust 1800-watt compressors, it ensures efficiency and convenience in ice making. Durability is guaranteed with its food-grade 304 stainless steel construction, ensuring longevity and ease of cleaning. What sets this machine apart is its independently controlled panels, offering flexibility in operation. These two pans can function independently, and the defrost function can be activated through both a button and a foot pad, allowing for instant chilling of your products. Attention to detail is evident in the design, with 360-degree rotatable caster wheels for effortless movement, large area air vents to prevent overheating, and the inclusion of 2 food shovels for added convenience. The VEVOR 1800-watt stir-fried ice roll machine is a versatile, robust, and thoughtfully designed ice cream maker that caters to both efficiency and practicality in the world of frozen dessert creation. Number 1 is the VEVOR Commercial Ice Cream Machine. The VEVOR Commercial Ice Cream Machine is a versatile and high-capacity frozen dessert maker that caters to both household and commercial needs. With its impressive 6-liter double hoppers constructed from food-grade 304 stainless steel, it churns out a substantial 20 to 28 liters of ice cream per hour. What sets it apart is its ability to create 2 single flavors and 1 mixed flavor simultaneously, offering a wide variety of options like vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, mango, and more. Driven by a powerful 2,200-watt brand compressor and utilizing our 410 refrigerant, this ice cream maker boasts faster cooling, reduced noise levels, and lower power consumption, ensuring energy efficiency and cost savings. The intelligent LCD panel control allows you to customize time, temperature, and hardness settings while displaying the quantity for easy monitoring. Self-cleaning can be initiated with just 1 click. Attention to detail is evident in its ergonomic handle, cooling vents, detachable drip tray, and external egg cone holder. This versatile machine is suitable for restaurants, cafes, snack shops, fast food establishments, supermarkets, pubs, and any place with high-demand dessert offerings. The VEVOR Commercial Ice Cream Machine is the perfect blend of efficiency, convenience, and quality in frozen dessert production. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.